This is the intro, by the way.
Hello. We're playing Animal Company and I got a bomb. What does this do again?
No!
Yeah!
There's monsters and everything.
There's no grenade. There's a landmine. It's cake and steak. Steak.
Bacon. That's what. Carry some pear.
Ah! No! I'm going to distract him. Ah! What is his face? No! No, it's actually close.
$613.
Ka-ching.
Just run.
He's out! I'm stuck! Run!
Because there's no moving things, I don't think.
Oh my god, it's going faster. Look at those gnashers.
Harrison's going into the cave.
Yeah, we did. We died with torches. Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, oi, sad. Meow, meow,
No!
Monkey!
Juked.
What do you mean juked? Bro, you're just throwing the flashlight past. Ah! Stand still, it's not going to go off.
Ah! It's very low. It is at 11%. Let's go.
Harrington Pear.
Yo, it's Harrington Pear.
Charlie, why'd you do that?
The bag's a bit tweaking.
Right.
Mine. What took the banana mid-hand when I was putting it in my bag?
Yeah, I put my bag over your bag.
Charlie, that's not very nice.
Well, should we go settle before we go to the cave?
Nah, let's just go to the cave.
We only
Get
got
the
like
stuff in
50 quid, and the cave isn't that dangerous. If you want to juke out.
Yeah, we
Your booty is shaking, bro.
Well, I've used about half of my storage in my bag.
Harrison, I swear to God.
I'm moving.
You've got to
The
get
hell was that?
It's a cave news.
Come on now.
Bomb! Bomb woman.
What the hell? How are you hitting me from there? Got golden monkey. I want golden monkey. Mine.
Are we good?
Grab it.
No! Is Charlie there? Charlie's not here anymore. We lost him. We lost a good one.
We can go,
I think we lost him. We lost him. He was a good one.
We're good.
Are you serious?
He's right here.
Oh yeah.
I'm grabbing my flashlight. Right, let's go.
Whoa.
Let's go. We need to sell it in a minute, okay? No, bro, my VR has 5%.
Sigma! Say goodbye to TwigPlayzVr now, guys! I hope you guys enjoyed.
Drop it.
See you guys later.